That rumbling noise from your stomach is completely normal. It's caused by movement inside your digestive system. Even when empty, your stomach keeps working. It contains small amounts of digestive fluid and trapped air. Your stomach muscles contract in waves. These rhythmic movements help move food or clean the digestive tract. Between meals, your digestive system runs a cleaning process. This process sweeps leftover food through the tract. When muscles squeeze an empty stomach, air and liquid move around. This movement creates the growling sound. When food fills your stomach, it muffles sound. An empty stomach makes those movements easier to hear. Before meals, your body releases a hormone called ghrelin. Ghrelin signals the brain that it's time to eat. The brain and stomach constantly communicate. When hungry, the brain tells the stomach to prepare for food. Stomach growling usually happens a few hours after eating. That's when your stomach becomes empty again. Stress can increase digestive activity. This may make stomach sounds louder or more frequent. Growling seems louder in quiet places. The sound hasn't changed, but the silence makes it noticeable. Even after eating, stomach muscles continue moving food. This can still create soft digestive sounds. Stomach growling usually means your digestive system is working normally and preparing for food. If growling is paired with severe pain or other symptoms, it's important to consult a doctor. Your stomach growls because muscles move air and fluid inside it. It's a normal sign that you're hungry.